So let's begin. If you ever had to start it immediately and putting the first 3 together, I'm gonna show you what to do. Normally in treble you would chain 4 to begin a row, but if you're gonna have to put the first 3 together, you're only gonna chain 3 for the first one. It'll make sense in just a moment. So you're gonna immediately treble into the next one, but you're not gonna finish the stitch. So wrapping twice, so yarning over twice, coming into the stitch, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. Then we come into the next one. So wrap twice and coming in 2 and 2. So the very first time that you're gonna do it, these 3 are gonna become 1. There's only 3 loops on the hook. Normally there's 4, but that's just because you started. So let's put the next 3 together. So yarning over twice, going in, pull through 2 and 2 until you get to the top of that one post. Then wrapping twice, next one, and keep on doing that to collect them. So you're looking for a total of 4 loops to be on your hook. So the 3 are from the stitches that you're trying to put together, and the 4th one is the beginning one. So yarning over, pulling it through all of them. So let's try one more time. In and just collect them. So you never want to finish any of these stitches until you're good and ready. And this would be how you would complete a treble 3 together. And that's what it would look like.